刚起来的丑样来变个脸。
Thinking about I need that bad boy to do me right on a Friday, and I need that girl one to wake me up on a Sunday. That one from work can come over on Monday night. I want them all, I want them all. And when they finally leave me, I'm all alone. But I'm looking down and my girls are blowing my phone up. Them 20 questions they asking me where I'm at. Didn't hit them back. I'm sorry that I missed your party. I wish I had a better excuse, like I had to trash the hotel lobby, but I was busy thinking about boys.